We got the camshaft out in the last video and that teardown complete, so check the video description if you haven't seen anything yet. So here's our new camshaft with our part number. It's a factory replacement, just without the DOD. And something I would highly suggest is looking through the hole on the cam to make sure that it's clear that during the machining process that nothing was stuck in there. So we want to put our assembly lube on this. So we're going to go ahead and start lubing up every part of this. And you'll notice as you start to push the cam in, it will scrape a lot of this off because the clearances are so tight. But we're going to go ahead and slowly walk this in. And the same thing, we're being very careful as we're pushing this through not to drag it across the cam bearings. And we just want it to go in nice and slow, nice and smooth. And this is where you can also, again, put a bolt or the front of a screwdriver in the very front of the cam to help you leverage it and hold it up. So as we're looking down in here, we're watching it go into place. We're putting assembly lube on it again since it wiped a lot of it off, and just making sure that it's nice and clean. So as you see, I have a screwdriver here that's helping me kind of leverage this up and lift the end of the cam on the back so it slides in properly.